Okay, all right. So let's see. Really like the homework today. I think I'm increasingly leaning towards using this website for homework from now on with the sixth graders, especially with the sixth graders from next year. I think that'll be fantastic. Okay, all right. Now, remember, right, what topic we're on right now? So we're doing reflections and only reflections. Okay, all right. So with that said, let's try this. All right, one, immediately make the design shown below. We got two triangles, A and B. Which transformation could be shown to say that A is congruent? By the way, congruent. So this homework, I'm introducing some new concepts here because I really think you guys will benefit from knowing these words. So, first word is congruent, okay, and pardon the all the sound outside on the street. There's a lot going on. Congruent means this. So you know how when we say that two things are equal, we have this symbol here. Congruent is if you have this symbol and you add a little squiggly. It's called tilde. Okay. So what does this symbol itself means? It means that whereas if you take two numbers, right, or 7 equals to 3 plus 4, right? Whereas you take an equal sign to say the two values are the same. Congruent means two shapes are equal in measurement. Okay, so in arithmetic or algebra, equal sign means equal in value. In geometry, when something is equal in value, we don't say they're equal. We say they are congruent. Okay, that's all. So it's the same meaning in two different topics. Okay. Now, with that said, what is this? So first of all, rotation. Rotation. You rotate this. So let's say A is the original. If you rotate A like this way, 90 degrees clockwise, it will look something like this. Okay. So that's a rotation, and that does not. This does not look like this. B. If you take A like this, E would look something like this. All right, it would get like expanded. So and that does not look like that. The translation, if the triangle A looks like this, a translation means the triangle would end up here. And I know it's not that. So what does that mean? Yeah, reflection, okay? Besides, we've only done reflection so far, so I'm not going to give you a question where the answer is A, B, or D. Like, that would make no sense, okay? So, just saying, right? You know, remember how when we're doing through property, what I said doubt, what do you pick? Yeah, distributed property. When in doubt, right? I mean, think about what we've done in class so far, right? Okay, all right, next. What is this? How does shape 1 turn to shape 2? Okay. Yeah, it's a reflection, right? The chimney ended up here. That's how you know. And the doorknob ended up here. Okay, and again, right? Rotation is not turning. It wasn't sliding, right? Okay, all right. 3. Now, oh man, wow, this is really small letters. But it doesn't matter. Look, which transformation is this? From this triangle to this triangle? From here to here, what's the transformation? Yeah, so here's the question. Is it a reflection? Is it a reflection? Oh, actually, I thought this was a reflection. No, it's not. Okay, that's it. It's a reflection. Okay, all right. Don't get thrown off by all these crazy negative numbers. Look at the shape, right? See how it got translated. Actually, I shouldn't use that. Transform, not translate. Transform, right? Got flipped over the x-axis, right? Okay. Mm, which of the following is a reflection over? You notice how I did this on purpose. I made this bold. I turned the font into something that's bolder. Okay. Why? Because I want you to make sure that you realize that I'm reflecting over the y-axis. So which one is it? Which one? Oh man, I forgot to do the answer key again. Okay, all right. Not this. That's not a reflection. That's not a reflection. C is a reflection, but that's not the answer. Why not? Yeah, C is a reflection over the x-axis. I want a reflection over the y-axis. Okay. All right. Last question. Now, this one I picked this on purpose because I thought it's sufficiently difficult, and I'm very tempted to put this on the quiz this Friday. So pay attention here. Okay. So the original line is this, and then it became this. What they're saying is this: by looking at the coordinates, the points themselves, what type of reflection is it? All right, and so right off the bat, right? No translation. We haven't done that, and we're not going to. Okay, so now when you go from S to S prime, you need to see, hey, which one changed, right? Did the X coordinate change or the Y coordinate change? In both cases, you notice how this was the first number is 2, now it's -2, and the second one is -1, now it becomes 1. So it looks like the the X coordinate changes. Now, if the X coordinate changes, are we reflecting over the X or the Y? Yeah, Y, right? Remember, those things are like different, right? They switches. So if X changes, then the reflection is over the Y-axis. Okay, all right. So again, these questions are as tough as it's going to get on the quiz, because what it requires you to do is look at the points themselves and then draw a conclusion as to which type of reflection is. Okay, all right. So let's submit that. I know I won't have a grade because I forgot to change the setting. And that's it. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching.
OMG, that was so good.